Hey everybody! Today's video is on soil and food resources, but I just kind of wanted to focus more on pesticides. I am in Centerville today and I was trying really hard to find a farm, but I couldn't, so this is just gonna have to do for now. But I kind of wanted to talk about the benefits and the problems with pesticides we talked about in class. Lots of the benefits is that it controls the pests in the crop, and I think one of the biggest benefits and part of the main reason why we use pesticides is that it increases the crop yield, so how much we're getting, and it makes it so it's reliable, so we're always going to be promised that we're going to get the food. And then obviously this helps the economy when we're always going to get the food that we need and it's going to be in big numbers. But the disadvantages, the problems with it, is that we're susceptible to monocultures. There's development of genetic resistance. There's an imbalance in the ecosystem and a persistence of chemicals. I read an article this week and it was just talking about, it had the video that our professor talked about in class about the family that decided to eat organically for 2 weeks and were able to pretty much get rid of all of the pesticides or the chemicals in their body. And so I really thought the article was interesting because the mom mentioned that like one of the main reasons why they don't eat organically is because it's expensive. But if everybody ate organically, then it might be affordable. When you go into the store, pretty much anything that is organic is labeled with, a label that says it's organic. But in my own opinion, I feel like all the foods that are not organic should be labeled with all of the chemicals that were used to make them. I think that if they were, this might actually change people's diets. They might actually start eating differently. They might start eating organically, and then everybody would want it, and it might make it a little bit more affordable for the rest of us. So anyways, that's my short video on soil and food resources, specifically pesticides.